everyone, I wanted to share with you all something that I got. Let's take a look. So I got the exciting macaron, and let's see which one I got for myself. So here she is. Let me get the little card out. Here's the little card. I did get toffee. For a second, I thought she looked gray. She is perfect. I love the fur, super soft. She's so pretty. There's nothing wrong with her. I got this one off of Pop Mart, the app. And so I was so excited when I got it, and now I have one from this series. I don't know if I'll be getting more, so we will see. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment. It means the world. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.